Comment are the next tools. So we can leave a text comment, a voice comment, a video comment, or a screen capture. So again, we get to choose these colors down here. So if I want to leave a text comment, it will leave a blue dot wherever I click to leave that comment. So I can click here, I can type it in, or I can do the modification of the voice typing over here. Hello, and it will type for me. For the voice comment, it looks similar. Let's use red for that. So again, we're going to just click anywhere on the screen and it starts recording immediately. I see the little stop button here, so I can click stop as soon as I'm ready. And there's always that trash button if you're not satisfied with that. Anywhere on the screen, and it starts recording. So you can kind of see it leaves that there. The tricky part is knowing that as soon as you click, it's going to start recording. The same thing's going to happen with the video comment. So let's make this one orange. Click on the screen and it's going to start recording. This is an example of a video comment. So I click done and that is saved in the document with this orange dot. This is an example of a video comment. And the last one, of course, is the screen capture. So again, we click that, we choose a color if we want it to be something different. If we do green, now it's doing a screen capture. So it asks if you want to do your entire screen, application window, a Chrome tab. I've just been doing entire screen. So you have to select it and then click share. And now it's kind of doing this whole screen share thing. So it kind of looks like Screencastify. It does say here on the bottom that webcamihq.com is sharing your screen. But I will say I haven't figured out how to use the markup tools while doing this. Oh, there we go. Okay, this time it's working. Before it wasn't quite working. So you could have your students do a read aloud as long as they're intentional about selecting the correct tool on the menu and then using that live with this screencast. And you see we have a limit of 20 minutes. So you could have them read an entire paragraph or an entire poem and kind of talk through their process, which could be a great tool for our students who need a little bit more support. When you're ready, you click done, and that gets saved. So there's my little screencast over here. And I believe those are all of the comment tools. So you can do a text, voice, video, or a complete screen capture, all using Kami.